In this video, I want to show you how to convert vector to raster through the process called rasterization in ArcGIS Pro. Rasterization essentially is a process of converting your vector data like points, line, or polygon to raster. The advantage of this is that in raster format, it gets a better view or visualization. Secondly, raster is a very effective format of displaying continuous data. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your vector data to raster in ArcGIS Pro. Let's get started. To start, I'll bring in a data I will use by clicking on Add Data. Then, for instance, I want to use this year 2009 land use land cover shapefile. I'll select it and click on OK. Yes, here is my vector data. To confirm it, I can right click the layer and come to Properties. When it opens, I'll come to Source. Here you can see the geometry type is polygon, telling us that it is a vector layer. So let me close this. Another thing is that we can check the attributes of this data by right clicking and click on Attributes table. In the attribute table, we can see the Greek code, the class and area. So our attention will be on the class. So let's categorize this data using the class. So to do that, let me close this page. Right click and click on Symbology. So here, instead of single symbol, click on the drop down and select Unique Values. Then the field I want to use, click here and select Class. Then I can change the color. Change the color scheme to any one of your choice. Yes, you can see in vector format, you can see how the data looks like. And if you notice something, when I zoom in, it takes some time to display the data. And this is even because it's a little or small area. If you have it in a bigger area in vector format, when you zoom in, it takes a lot of time to load or display. However, by the time you convert to raster, it will be faster to display and more efficient to handle. So now let's convert to raster, which is the focus of this video. To do that, I can close this page. Come to Analysis. Click on Tools. This will open the geoprocessing page. Then come under Toolbox. Look for Conversion Tools. Click to expand it. Then scroll down to these options called to raster. Click to expand it. Then here you can see Polygon to raster. Click to open Polygon to raster 2. Then under Parameters, come to Input Feature. Click on the drop down and select your layer, which is 2009 land use land cover. Then the field we want to use, click here and select the field of your choice. In this case, we want to go with class. Then here, the cell assignment type. If you click on the drop down, you can see various options available. So I'm going with cell center. And then priority field, you can choose any one of your choice, but let's leave it as none. Then there is an option here which is cell size. Select the cell size. For example, I want the cell size to be 10 meter. Then check this Build Raster Attributes table. The output, you can specify where the output location should be. So I can click here. Let me save it in this folder and name it, for example, Raster. Then click on OK. Finally, click on Run. So this will take some minutes. Depending on how big your study area is, it will take just few minutes to run and create the raster. Yes, the raster is done and is added. Let me close this and uncheck the vector. If I uncheck the vector, so you can see the raster. You can see the raster here, and if I zoom in, you can see that it's easier to display here than in the vector format. So I've converted it to raster. In essence, this is how to convert your vector to raster through the process called rasterization in ArcGIS Pro. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.